Hey, I'm Thomas with Pitmaster Essentials. Here's how to set up the snake method using charcoal briquettes on the Weber kettle. We're going to do a 2x2 all the way around the bottom and then put a couple chunks of wood on top. So you just start with 2 briquettes like that, and then you want to lean them on top of each other just like that, because what's going to happen, we're going to light the briquettes over here, and then these are going to slowly burn all the way around, and you want to make sure that your briquettes are touching, because this one's going to light this one's going to light that one, and then so forth all the way around. And also you want to make sure to use full briquettes like this and not half briquettes like that, because these don't work as well. And now when you come to the bend right here, sometimes I have a little bit of trouble, but you want to make sure that these are touching. See how this one here is not really touching like that? You just want to make sure that it follows the bend, because what will happen is, this has happened to me several times, it'll start to burn through here real good, and then right about here where they're not touching, then they don't light, and then your temperature drops. So just keep an eye on that. Okay, so I think I originally said this was going to be a 2x2, but I'm actually just going to make it a 2x1. So we got our 2 going around. So now I'm just going to take 1 briquette and put it on top. Okay, so there's the 2x1 method on how to do the snake method on the Weber kettle. So the other thing that you want to do is probably put some wood in here. So I'm going to remove one of these briquettes and put chunks of wood in between here. Okay, so I have a few small pieces of hickory wood. So I'm going to take like this guy off. Put a piece of wood there. Go down a couple. Another piece of wood. Kind of like that. So the next thing I like to do is put my charcoal chimney upside down and put 2 paraffin cubes in there. And then I'm going to light the paraffin cubes. And then I take about 6 briquettes and I just put it on top of the paraffin cubes. And then I'll give that about 15 minutes. And then once those briquettes get lit, then I'll put them over here to start the snake. So I'll bring you back here in about 15 minutes. Okay, so after about 15 or 20 minutes, your charcoal should look like that. And to start the snake, just take your lit charcoal and set it on the front. And so now what's going to happen is the lit charcoal will very slowly start lighting the charcoal behind it, and it will burn all the way around, and it should create the temperature right around 225, 250 degrees, which is right where I want to cook. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below, but that's how you set up the snake method on the Weber kettle. and thanks for watching.